Assalamu alaikum, 7th class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about very interesting topic in which we discuss about pitch, frequency, ultrasound and infrasound. Now first we are going to talk about what is pitch. Pitch is the highest or the lowest sound an object makes. Object that vibrates slowly make a low pitch or make a lowest sound. Example drum. Objects that vibrate quickly make a higher pitch. Example recorder. Through this picture you can understand the concept of high pitch and low pitch. Whistle produce high pitch sounds as compared to drum because drum produce low pitch sounds. Now we are going to talk about frequency. The number of waves pass by each second is called as frequency. In the picture you can see different waves which are showing the lowest frequency and even highest frequency. It depends on the number of waves passed by each second, which is called as frequency. The unit of frequency is called as hertz. Now we are going to talk about ultrasounds. Ultrasound waves with greater frequency than the range of human hearing. We cannot hear these kinds of sound waves. Audible sound range is 20 to 20,000 Hz. The sounds with frequency less than 50 Hz is called as infrasounds. Ultrasonic waves are used in medical diagnosis and treatment. The waves which are used in medical laboratories are called as ultrasonic waves. They also are used to estimate the size, shape and depth of underwater objects. Next, we are going to talk about infrasounds. Sounds with frequencies below the normal human range of hearing. We cannot hear these kinds of sound waves because their frequency is very low than the normal human range of hearing. Infrasound is sound that is lower in frequency than 20 Hz or cycle per second. This is another unit of frequency, the normal limit of human hearing. These sounds are lower in frequency than the normal limit of human hearing, so we cannot hear this type of sound waves. 5 organisms that uses infrasounds are whales, elephants, rhinoceros, octopi, alligator. These animals use infrasounds to communicate over distances up to hundreds of miles. Students, this is your assignment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.